Hello children, Deepali Miss is here. In previous lessons, we have seen Riya's visit to Ujjain by train and to Mumbai by plane. For that, Riya's father booked tickets. Today, let's see how to calculate the cost of tickets. So, today's our lesson is cost of tickets. Objectives: to be able to calculate the cost of tickets, to be able to use pictograph to understand data. Children, in maths, we have learned multiplication. Here, you are getting an opportunity to practice it with the title Cost of Tickets. Children, let's see page number 29. Cost of tickets. Solve the following questions in your notebook. Children, you have to solve all these questions in your notebook. Question number 1. Put your finger on the line. Riya helped her father with the calculation of tickets on the trip. On the first day, they bought tickets of a ferry to reach the caves. If the cost of one ticket is rupees 120, calculate the cost of 4 tickets. Children, what is given in the question? The cost of one ticket. The cost of one ticket is rupees 120, and we have to find out the cost of 4 tickets. Children, for solving this, we can use two methods. First one is repeated addition and the second one is multiplication. So first we will see the repeated addition. The cost of one ticket is 120. So add 120 4 times. 120 plus 120 plus 120 and 120. Add this 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 and 1 2 3 4. And the second method is multiplication. Multiply this 120 by 4. First, multiply this 4 with 1's place digit, then 10's place digit and then 100's place digit. 4 multiply by 0. Children, whenever we multiply any number with 0 or 0 with any number, the answer is always 0. 4 0 0. 4 2's are 8 and 4 1's are 4. Children, if you see here, both the way the answer is same. So here you can use only one method which is easy for you. Let's see question number 2. Riya's father had planned another trip from Delhi to Jaipur during winter vacation. He consulted a travel agent who suggested him the following two options. Option A, a deluxe bus ticket for rupees 200 per person, and option B is a train ticket for rupees 145 per person. See page number 30. Calculate the amount needed to buy 4 tickets for both the deluxe bus and a train. Compare the cost and suggest him which one he should choose with reasons. First, we will calculate the cost of deluxe bus ticket. For one person, the ticket cost is rupees 200 and we have to find out for 4 persons. So again here you can use the repeated addition method or multiplication method. Here I am using the multiplication method. Multiply this 200 by 4 Now you know if we multiply any number and 0, the answer is always 0, 4 0, 0, 4 0, 0 and 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 800. Now we will find out the cost of train ticket. For one person, the ticket is 145 rupees. We have to find out for 4 persons. Now children, here you can use the repeated addition method, or you can use here box multiplication method also. I am using the repeated addition method. Add this 145 for 4 times, because we have to find out the cost of 4 tickets. Add this and then you will get the answer. So the answer is 580 rupees. Now children, the cost of bus ticket is 800 rupees and the train ticket is 580 rupees. So Riya's father should choose train ticket because he needs to pay less money. See question number 3. Riya's uncle and aunt boarded a train to reach Kalka station and paid rupees 200 per person. From Kalka, they took a Himachal Roadways bus to go to Shimla and paid rupees 60 per person. How much money did they spend to reach Shimla? First, we will calculate the cost of Ambala to Kalka train ticket. For one person, the ticket is 200 rupees and we have to find out the ticket of 2 persons. We will use the multiplication method. 200 multiply by 2, 2 0 0, 2 0 0, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 400 rupees. Now we will calculate the cost of bus ticket. For one person, the ticket is 60 rupees and we have to find out for 2 persons. Again use here multiplication method. 60 multiply by 2. Now you know if we multiply any number with 0 or 0 with any number, the answer is always 0 and 2 6 are 12. We have to find out how much money did they spend to reach Shimla. It means we need to add this 400 and this 120 rupees. So here we will do the addition children. You can do it in your notebook properly. I am going to add this 400 plus 120. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 2 2 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So they spent 520 rupees to reach Shimla. Question number 4. Riya's cousin Milan is planning to go on a trip from Delhi to Agra with his 3 friends. Suggest which train he should choose, giving the reason behind it, the name of the train and the cost per ticket. Per ticket means for one ticket. Bhopal Shatabdi rupees 244, Jabalpur Express rupees 230 and Superfast Taj Express rupees 228. First, we will calculate the ticket cost of Bhopal Shatabdi train. For one person, the ticket cost is 244 rupees. Milan and his 3 friends are going to plan. So we need to calculate the cost for 4 tickets. So children, here you can use the repeated addition method, means add 244 4 times. So the answer is 976. Now we will solve this by using box multiplication method, means 4 multiply by 244. Break this 244 in 100, tens and ones, because this is 3-digit number. This is 100, tens and ones. Here 200, 40 and 4. We have to multiply this by 4. 4 4 ja 16. Now here use the trick, multiply this 4 and this 4. 4 4 ja 16 and put this 1 0 here. Now again here use the trick, 4 2 ja 8 and here are 2 zeros, so add this 2 0, then add this. The answer is 976. This is the cost of 4 tickets for Bhopal Shatabdi train. We will find out the cost of Jabalpur Express. For one ticket, the ticket cost is 230 rupees and we have to find out for 4 persons. So children, here also you can use the repeated addition method. I am using the box multiplication, means 4 multiplied by 230. We need to break this 230 as 230 and 0. Multiply this by 4 and then you will get the answer 400. Now again here 4 3s are 12 and put here 10. Now 4 2s are 8 and here are 2 zeros, so write this and then add this. So the answer is 920 rupees. Now we will calculate the cost of ticket for Superfast Taj Express. For one person the ticket cost is 228 rupees and we have to find out for 4 persons. You can use the repeated addition method, add this 228 4 times, or you can use here box multiplication method. 4 multiply by 228. Break down this 228 in 100 tens and ones. Multiply this by 4. So the answer is rupees 912. We have to compare the cost of ticket for these 3 trains. The cost of tickets for Bhopal Shatabdi is 976 rupees. The cost of tickets for Jabalpur Express is 920 rupees and for the Superfast Taj Express is 912 rupees. So children, Milan should choose Superfast Taj Express because he needs to pay less money. The next question from page number 30. Riya and her family travel by Nilambari bus to see different places in Mumbai. She helped the person in the booking office of Nilambari bus by making a pictograph. Read and comprehend the following information. Now children, this is the information given here, number of dates and here number of tickets. We have to use this information to solve the questions from page number 31. Use my notes pages of the book to calculate the following. Children, here the last page of your textbook is this my notes. For the calculation you can use this page. The cost of one ticket is rupees 100. So the first question, which day saw the lowest sale of tickets? See here the number of days and number of ticket. The question is which day saw the lowest sale of tickets. So here see, on Friday only one ticket sale, so the answer is here Friday. So write down here Friday. The next one is calculate the minimum amount collected in a day. The minimum sale of or the less sale of ticket is on Friday. Here only one ticket sold, so the amount of one ticket is 100 rupees. So here the answer is 100. Write here answer. The first answer is Friday. and the second answer is rupees 100. The question number 3. Which day saw the maximum sale of tickets? Maximum means more in number. See here, on Thursday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So on Thursday more tickets are sold. The answer is here Thursday. And the question number 4. Calculate the maximum amount collected in a day. On Thursday 6 tickets are sold. Here you can use the last page for the calculation. The cost for one ticket is 100 rupees. And we have to find out for 6 tickets. Multiply this 100 by 6. The answer is 600. So write down here rupees 600. Pictograph describes the lowest sale of tickets, the minimum amount collected in a day, and also the maximum amount collected in a day. Children, thank you. Take care.